The court is expected to hear and decide whether Congolese warlord Bosco Ntaganda should stand trial for murder, rape, sexual slavery and using child soldiers. 2 warrants of arrest were issued for Ntaganda before he surrendered to the court in 2013. As the former deputy chief of the General Staff for the Patriotic Forces for the Liberation of Congo, Ntaganda is suspected of 13 counts of war and 5 counts of crimes against humanity allegedly committed in Ituri in DRC between the 1st of September 2002 and the end of September in 2003. Ntaganda, who is believed to be around 41 years old, handed himself in to the U.S. Embassy in the Rwandan capital Kigali last March. Shortly after his arrival in The Hague, prosecutors asked for time to rebuild a case which had been dormant during 5 years Ntaganda spent on the run. During Monday's confirmation of charges hearing, the lawyers will lay out their arguments that the evidence they have marshaled is strong enough to merit a full trial. The session will be a test of Chief Prosecutor Fatous Bensouda's promise that cases will be trial-ready by the time they come to court, an implicit response to criticism by academics and member states from earlier cases which collapsed when judges ruled evidence was not strong enough. Judges are due to decide over the next few weeks whether to suspend their most high-profile current case against Kenya's president on charges of orchestrating violence following the 2007 elections after prosecutors said several witnesses had withdrawn. Uhuru Kenyatta denies the charges. Sudan's President Omar Hassan al-Bashir and Saif al-Islam Gaddafi, son of the ousted Libyan leader, remain beyond the court's reach because their countries refuse to surrender them. The ICC has for the last 11 years only handed down just one conviction, the 2012 jailing of another Congolese warlord, Thomas Lubanga, for 14 years of using child soldiers. Susan Mongeli, CCTV.